Join me as I prep the tomatoes and pepper I bought in my 12 market. Before now, I usually grill my tomatoes and pepper because it tastes better and it has this smoking flavor which is superb for jollof rice. Since this one is much, I decided to grill some, then boil the remaining ones. They taste almost the same anyways. I love to use the grilling and the boiling method because they taste better and the tomatoes and the pepper retain its nutrients. You know, when you boil or grill, you don't need to cook again. And you don't need to dry the paste again. That way, the tomatoes and pepper paste remains fresh and very red. Unlike the other method where you blend the raw tomatoes and pepper, then cook till the water in the paste dries. When I want to grill, I grill by measurement. Even when I want to boil, I boil by measurement. So I don't just pack only tomatoes or only pepper, or I don't just grill like that. When I want to grill, I have my quantity of tomatoes, my quantity of tatashi, the shombo, I have my quantity of pepper, the onions. Sometimes I even add ginger and garlic when I want to grill and also when I want to boil. But this video, I didn't use ginger and garlic because I already have the paste. I didn't add ginger and garlic. So at once, I will grill the quantity I use for stew per time, except I'm cooking little food. And even if I have to take from inside, it will still be okay. Even when I want to boil, I also calculate. So in this video, you see how I was heaping it, yes, because everything I've mentioned, everything must be in that pot. I must blend everything together. It's okay, this method is still the best. It's still the best. You notice the other method, that popular method, always look dark and overcooked. So that's why when you now make the stew is not always fine. It's not always red. It's always kind of brown. You can use the grilling method and the boiling method to compare that one, that popular one. So the difference is clear and the taste is also different. And this taste is the best compared to the other one. So just try it and you will see the difference. You may think these grilling and boiling methods are stressful or time consuming. It's not, because if you add the time you use to dry the raw paste, the time you cook the raw tomatoes you blended till the water dries, if you take that time, it's almost the same time. But I won't lie to you, it's really stressful because you have to put the tomatoes in the oven. You have to remove that one. When that one is done, you have to put another one, especially if you have small oven like me. So it's stressful, I won't lie to you, but it's worth it. It's worth the stress. And even if you don't use the oven method, the boiling method is still very easy. It's still very easy and you get almost the same result. So if you want to run away from the stress, you can do the boiling method. That one is still okay. Far better than the popular method. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also remember to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. And also please like this video if you find it interesting and share for other people to see. For those who will be seeing this video on TikTok and Facebook, please follow me if you've not followed me, and also like the video and share for other people to see. Have you tried this method before, or will you be trying this method next time? Please drop it in the comment section. Please watch the video to the end and see how I prepared everything. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.